What's up guys, this is Ayush here back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cydia on iOS 11. So in case you are facing any issues in Cydia and you are unable to download any package, or you are just getting any error like dpkg logged error, then this video is for you because I'm going to show you how to fix it. So without any further ado, let's fix it. First of all, install FILZA escaped on your device. To install it, just visit a site called Tweakbox. The address will be linked in the description. Just visit it and go to its Tweakbox app section and download and install FILZA escaped on your device. Once FILZA is installed on your device, to run it you need to trust it. To trust it, just go to settings, go to general and then profile and device management and trust it. Now run FILZA on your device and go to the root and delete these files. After deleting these files, reboot your device and then run ELECTRA again and try to jailbreak your device, and you may get this .PANGA error. If you get this error, just install .PANGA IPA on your iPhone using Cydia IMPACTOR and then run .PANGA and then tap on the option which says tap to remove .PANGA. To install it using Cydia IMPACTOR, just run Cydia IMPACTOR and drag and drop this IPA, .PANGA IPA onto it, and then connect your phone using data cable and then fill your ID and password, and it will start installing IPA on your device. Now run this .PANGA IPA, but before running it you need to trust it. To trust it, just go to settings, go to general and profile and device management and trust it. Now run .PANGA and tap on this option over here and then reboot your device. Once the removal is complete, reboot your device and then run ELECTRA again and try to jailbreak your device. Now this time ELECTRA should jailbreak your device and will reinstall Cydia, and your Cydia will start functioning again, and you will be able to download any package that you want without getting this dpkg logged error or any other error. So yeah, that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos, and yeah, that's it. Bye guys, I will catch you in my next video. Please subscribe to this channel for updates.